Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a world coin hunt, and I've designated this hunt World Coin Hunt 106. The first coin that you see down there is a 10 cent coin from 1920. It's an Italian coin. The obverse here shows Victor Emmanuel Victor Emmanuel III. On the reverse of the coin, make sure I get it the right way up. There we go. You see that? Maybe slightly better. On the back we have the value, the year, and this is a flowered coin. Let's get it the right way up. There is a bumblebee, the year and the value. The mintage for this 1920 coin is 37,995,000. Yay! The second coin is a coin from Belgium. It's a 2 cent coin from 1864. We have on this side the value plus the lion. This 2 cent. I'll make sure I get this the right way up. I believe that's the right way. It is from Leopold I's reign. It's a crowned monogram. The mintage for this 1864 coin is 16,839,612. Oops, let's get this the right way around. This next coin is from Chile. It's a 10 centimus from 1970. On this side you have got the value, the year, and some wheat ears going around either side of the numeric value. There is also a mint mark as well on this coin, which is the one for Mexico. Sorry, Chile, not Mexico. What am I on about? And then on this side we have a beautiful coin, a beautiful picture of a condor. You got the name of the country, the mint mark S plus E. I'm not sure what that mint mark is. I haven't been able to find out at the time of recording this. For this 1970 coin, the mintage was 42,080,000. I do like this coin though. This is probably one of my favourite ones from this hunt. Oops. Just get one at a time, Steve. This coin shows Her Majesty the Queen from 1976. It's a New Zealand coin and it's 2 cents. On this side you have the name of the country and also Queen Elizabeth II plus the year. And then on the reverse of the coin we have the value, and we have a flower which is a kawaii flower. That's K-O-W-H-A-I. The mintage for this coin from 1976 is 15,027,000. This coin is a South African coin. It's a 20 cent coin. On this side you've got the country, the year, the coat of arms and the country name. It's from 1993. We have it is a 20 cent coin from South Africa. On the reverse we have the value of the coin. We also have a flower. This flower is a Pretoria flower. Pretoria flower. The mintage for this 1993 coin is 134 million. This coin is from Singapore. It's a 5 cent from 2013. On this side, very small, although it is very small, it's the coat of arms, the year and the country. It looks like the motif in the centre is a lion headed motif, and the Esplanade Theatre, which of course I think will be on the back here. Yes, there we go. This has got the value, and then you have a flower. Let me just get that a bit further in. You have the flower, which is an esplanade, I'm not sure what the flower is. It didn't say in the description, but in the background is Esplanade Theatre, and there's a lion head motif, which, let me give me a pointy thing. The lion head is here, and it goes around in a circular motion around the coin. The whole of the motif does. This coin is from the Philippines, and this coin is one of those ones where you seem to have a coat of arms, and the coat of arms is from, I believe, the Philippine Bank. It's dated 1988, which is the anniversary of the bank coming into, or that particular banking organisation. On the obverse we have Jose Rizal, the year, the country and the value. This 2004 coin has no mintage figures. It's classed as common mintage. Let me get that centred. Here we go. The next coin is Portugal. It's 20 centives from 1920. You have a year and the coat of arms on this side. Then on the reverse you have Roman numerics for the value. And an olive branch. I believe this coin, although it looks as if it's marked 1920, is actually 1927. That being the case, the mintage is 10,170,000. The next coin is New Zealand 2 cents from 1967. We have the Queen and the year on this, on the obverse side, and then on the reverse we have the value plus the flower. Now this is throwing me a bit of a curveball. The reason for this is I could only find one mintage for this coin. That mintage was just 250,000. Now I'm not sure whether that was a value, say, for proof or something like that, and there's no mintage for the actual coin itself that went into circulation or not. I'm not sure, but the only mintage I could find was 250,000. We're back to a coin that when I first saw it thought this is a little bit special, but I've seen so many of them now I'm beginning to wonder. This is a 50 centavos. We have the lady portrait. We have a C. On the reverse we have the coat of arms at plus value. These two coins are from 1963 and 64. The 1963 mintage is 2,316,000, and the 64 coin is 7,654,000. This next coin is quite badly tarnished and there's quite a bit of muck on it. I'm not sure whether we can get this off with a light clean, you know, something like a microfiber cloth or something like that. But this is a $1 or 1 peso from 2007. On this side you have the coat of arms. It is a bimetallic coin. On the other side we have the value of 1 pesos. It's also known as a $1 coin. There is no mintage figures for this coin. The next one is from 1964 and shows the Queen's head, the Queen Elizabeth II's portrait, her early portrait. This is from a country called Rhodesia that no longer exists, and the value, this is one of the few coins that I've seen with 2 values on it. It has the 1 shilling and also the 10 cent. Now I don't know whether in 1964 Rhodesia was going through a change of currency, much like we did with the decimals from the pre-decimal era, from the sterling era. But on the reverse you have the shield of Rhodesia, coat of arms. You have the date at the bottom. So you have the date at the bottom of the coin, you have the name of the country at the top, you have the shield. Then either side of the date, on either side of the shield, you have 10 cent and 1 shilling. The mintage for this 1964 coin is 15,550,000. The next coin in this hunt is from Ecuador. It's 50 Sures, and that's S-U-R-E-S, from 1988. On this side you have the year, the coat of arms and the country name. On the reverse you have the value and you have a mask. This 1988 coin is very low mintage. The mintage on this coin is just 100,000. Our next coin comes from Italy. It's a 10 lira coin from 1976 and it shows a rudder. It is one of the coins that is aluminium. On the reverse we have the value of 10 lira and 2 wheat ears. The mintage for this 1976 coin is 82 million. This coin comes from Uruguay. It is 100 and it's Nuevos. That's N-U-E-V-O-S from 1989. On this side you have the value, the year and a vine, almost wreath going around the coin. And you have an N with a dollar sign next to it at the top here, denoting the Nuevos currency. On the obverse here we have a gaucho, which is like I believe it's like the local native for Uruguay. The mintage for this coin is 35 million. Here we have another aluminium coin of low value. It's a 1 fen from 1956. On here you have the year, the value, and some wheat, or rice, probably more likely rice sheaves, and the year. And then on the reverse, or should I say the obverse side, we have the Heavenly Gateway. There are no mintage figures for this 1956 coin. I have 3 more coins left. This next coin is from Mexico. Oh, come on. It's a 50-cent coin. On there you have the year, the value, and a patterned background. On the reverse side of this, or on the obverse side should I say, we have the Mexican coat of arms. This Mexico 50-cent coin from 1996 has a mintage of 69,956,000. The penultimate coin is also Mexican. You got it? Yay! It's autofocused in properly. This 20-cent coin is from 1995 and from Mexico. On this side you see the coat of arms. On the reverse we have the value of 20C. We have the value of the year and a garland going around the outside. The mintage for this 1995 coin is 180 million. The final coin of this hunt. This side shows a spinning top, and on the other side is the year, the value, the year, and the country. The value and the country and the year. The year is 2008. It's a 5-cent. Oh, excuse me. It's a 5-cent coin from Malaysia. And the flower that you can see there is a hibiscus flower. So let's just bring that out a little bit. It's a hibiscus flower. The mintage for this 2008 coin is 91,440,000. That ends this hunt. Thank you for, let's just wind it out a little bit. Thank you for staying till the end. I do have 4 coin hunts a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like to watch. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I am hoping to grow this channel this year, so if you believe I deserve it, please give me a thumbs up, and also could you comment and also subscribe. I'm aiming for 100 by the end of the year, and I'm on the way to hitting that target, but I could do with your help. It doesn't cost you any money to actually subscribe. And until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon, hopefully in the not too distant future. And until then, from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.